Hi everyone, back again. Wanted to make sure that I showed you how to add a YouTube video if you're trying to add that as one of the steps in a module. These exact same steps actually will work for linking to any web page anywhere. So I'm going to show it for a YouTube video, but realistically if you found a website with a specific activity that you wanted to use, or an article that you wanted them to read, or um, basically any resource at all, as long as you can get the link to that page, you can follow these exact same steps and drop it in as a step in your module. And Canvas is pretty amazing in its ability to figure out what it is you want to do with that. In this case, when we do this YouTube video, it's going to drop it in. You're going to see what happens on here. One major advantage to doing it this way for a YouTube video is that you are not going to get all of the ads or recommended videos or anything that normally appear around it. You get just the video itself, which is pretty amazing. So, alright, we're going to go ahead and get started. First of all, before I start this, I went ahead and found a video, shameless plug here, that I want to insert into my Canvas module, and I'm going to go up to the address bar and I'm going to go ahead and copy the link to this video. Okay, this allows me to go to YouTube. I can search through, I can watch them, I can preview, I can figure out what I really want, figure out which video it is, and then, like I said, go up, grab the link there. After that, pretty simple. On my module, I'm going to click on the little plus sign so that I can add something to it. It says add, and then I've got my little drop down list. I'm actually going to go to external URL. Okay, pretty simple from here in the URL box. I'm just going to paste in that link that I just got from my YouTube video. Page name, I can just enter whatever. I'm going to go very generic here. Whatever it is that I want to call that particular page, that's what it's going to show up as in my module. I'll do add item. There it is. Okay, just a couple of clicks gets that on there, just to make sure that I will be able to view this. Now if I click on this, it goes ahead and launches. That's all I'm going to see. I don't see all of the other stuff that you usually get from YouTube. I'm going to get just the video itself, which is really a pretty awesome way to do this. You do have the option once it starts playing, you can always go full screen. Oh, we definitely do not need to hear me twice. Okay, so just wanted to show you those steps. Like I say, those exact same steps, that external URL, can be used for any external web page at all, an article, an activity, and whatever, and it is going to figure out how to display it the right way over here. If it's a web page, Canvas is going to be able to kind of embed that web page in the same space. In this case, since it is a YouTube video, it's smart enough to pick up on that and only display the video. Really a pretty powerful tool, really easy to use. I think that's it for now. I'm going to stop and go get working on another video.